So the tool number 1 which we are discussing here is check sheet. And what is that? So check sheet is a data collection form used to manually record the number of observation or occurrence of an event. And what does that mean is, you take a piece of paper, on that you keep on recording that. Let's say if you are counting number of people coming to an event, every time a person comes, you put a tally there. Okay, one person, second person comes to that event, you put second tally to that, and that way you keep record of number of people coming to event. Or for whatever reason you want to keep a tally of an event, tally of an activity, tally of some type of defect, you use a check sheet. So check sheet is used for collecting data and displaying the pattern of that, and that can help us in solving problems. Number of times people get confused with check sheet and checklist. Checklist is a list of item which you go through. Let's say if you go for a grocery shopping, you have a list of items in your list. You need to buy milk, you need to buy potato, you need to buy tomato. So that's the list which you have. And once you buy those things, you put a check mark against that. That will be a checklist. Checklist is a reminder that tells you what all needs to be done. In quality audit, you have a checklist. You go through that checklist, you check those points. So we are not talking about checklist here. We are talking of check sheet. Check sheet is for data collection. So when you keep a count of something, when you keep a tally of something, that's where you use a check sheet. Let's look at an example of that on the next slide.